Okay, so let's look at possessive determiners and pronouns. So, pronouns that show possession, what do you have, possession, mine, are possessive pronouns. Possessive determiners come before the noun too. So, we have possessive determiners and possessive pronouns showing what you own. Own mine. My whiteboard, my pen, my suspenders. So my pen. This is my pen. Or is the pen mine? Is that mine? That's mine? I didn't know. I didn't know it was mine. Wow. Okay. We, our, and ours. That is our house. That is our house. But that house, is that our house? Ours. We will go to our house again. We're going to build our own house. Our own. Ours. Ours. This pen is ours. This pen is ours. This lesson is ours. It's mine, and yours. You, your, mine, and yours. You, your, this is your class, but this is our lesson. This lesson is ours, and yours too. So she, her, and hers. She. The house is hers. The office is hers. Her. This pen belongs to her. That car belongs to her. That is her car. It's and its. Very similar. The dog. This is the dog's bed. It's its bed. That is its bed. That is its food. Makes sense. You, your, yours. This is your class. But your class, your lesson. But the knowledge, the things I'm giving you, the advice is now yours. Yours to do as you please. For you. For you. They, their, and theirs. They are here. They are coming here. That is their car. The car is theirs. Their car. Their car. The car is theirs. Makes sense. The house is ours. House is ours. Ours. Is it my pen? Is that pen mine? That is mine. This is mine? I didn't know. It is my pen. And perhaps it's your lesson. The lesson is yours. Lesson is yours. Lesson is yours. Here you are. Thank you. How cool is that? Yeah, their car, its bed. Its bed, very good. Her house, anything. Her hat, that hat is hers. Her hat. The hat is hers. Makes sense. Yeah, our choice. Our choice. The choice is ours. It belongs to me. Yeah. So this one, with these, we are determining who owns what. Her house, her hat, its bed. And this one, we are telling them what it is, and it's ours. This pen is mine. Yes. Hers. The car is hers. Comes after the pronoun. So these are before and after. After the noun. My pen. The pen is mine. My pen. The pen is mine. Her house. The house is hers. Their car. The car is theirs. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.